Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be creating HSL bus line 533, which is another north-south line in Espoo, running from Järvenperä to Hyljelahti. We'll start by building a nice little loop for us in here, next to the stop at Karamzinin koulu, or the Karamzin school. Then what happens is that we build it. There we go. And then let's have a look at the lines. So wait. Oh shit, there was a stop in there. Well, let's go back then, shall we? So there is a stop called Karamzinin puisto in here. There we go. Then let's join forces with the existing roads. There we go. And now it's ready. So let's get lines and create a line. Oh, let's build it first. That helps. So there we go. I was also running a bit too speed here. Let's also fix that. Let's open the line for passenger service and stop at Karamzinin puisto and Karamzinin koulu. There we go. The following stop is Ryytimala, and then we're gonna stop at Treskendan Risti. After that, it's gonna be... Oh, no! It's not gonna be that Treskendan Risti. Wait. Yes, it is. Alright, so there is this one-way stop which confused me. So then Tammihantie and Auroran koulu. That's better, much better. Then we stop at Riistatie. At Linnustaja. Right. Riistatie, Kolkeranta, Linnustaja. Now that's it. Then let's see. So we're gonna stop at Petas. Obviously it will continue straight past that road, that's correct. So the stop at Petas is gonna be right here. So a new platform for the Petas stop it is, and then we go on back to these roads. There we go. And that's some signals. There we go, and there we go. So that's Petas. And then we're gonna continue and... Did you say Työväen Akatemia? Yes. Right. So the following stop then will be a Työväen Akatemia stop, which will be located in here. We will delete the independence of this station. Oops. Well, here goes again. So, let's build the blueprints and then go back to lines. So we stop at Petas. What the hell? Okay, something is clearly wrong. Oh yes, and that was the thing that was clearly wrong here. I forgot to... I remembered to delete the station, but I forgot to create it back. So we stop at the Työväen Akatemia, and then we stop at Valkonauhantie. Then we stop at Uimahalli, at Terveyskeskus. And after Terveyskeskus we stop at Samis, whatever that is. Let's see what it is. I think it's the same in Swedish, because after all we are in Grankulla. Let's see here. That's Simhallen. That's Hälsocentralen. And that's Samis. Whoops, which is located between those two crossings in there. So, there we go. And there we go. Let's add some signals here. And after Samis, we're probably gonna stop at the church. Is it so? That is so. And now I think there will probably be no more bus stops in Kauniainen, because it's saturated with stops. I mean, every single major road has a stop already. So these are probably the last bus stops we're going to create in Kauniainen. I'm not sure about this, but this is my strong guess that the thing is so. So, build our blueprints, and that was Samis. Then we'll stop at the church, we'll stop at the station, and then we will turn to Kauniaisten. From there, we will continue straight to Fasanipolku and to Nihtisillanportti, but what happens after that? Oh shit, don't tell me that the Nihtisillanportti crossing is in the wrong place. Wait a second here. Oh no, it's not. Good. And then we're gonna make an interesting... what's gonna happen here? Okay. Well, let's start by building a bridge above the this road. Oops, not a stop. What did I think of? Or is there a stop? No, there is no stop. So let's first... oh, fuck you. First build a bridge above it. No, I said no stop. There we go. Oops. A bridge, right. And this is what I was... oops, this is what I was supposed to build all along. Come on, idiots. Then let's build another... what the fuck am I doing? Another bridge in here. And then go back to ground level. There we go. And now, what I plan on doing is creating this ramp here. There is a stop in there. The hell. Do we stop when it's stop? We do. So the crossing only comes after the stop. There. And it will connect. Oh, and then a bridge over here. There we go. The main question is, how do we get out of this? But that will be answered later on. Oops. Oops. And oops. And then, yeah, now I see where this is going. So then let's go back to building a road. Let's see what the next stop is. It's still far away. Excellent. Excellent. So there we go. And there we go. And then, what a ramp. I mean, surely there could have been an easier way to do this. But no. And now we're on the ring road number 2. The speed limit probably is 60 in here, but okay. Okay, so no stops. Absolutely no stops in there. Great. Oops. Well, why would there be stops? There is nothing in here. Hmm. Oops. Oops. There we go. And then there will be a ramp. But I will build that side first. So let's see what's in there. So there is a stop called Lukusilta in here. There we go. Then let's build the actual bridge. If there is this boat thing called Bodimac boat face, there should also be a bridge called Ginalula Brigida. That's my strong opinion. There we go. And oh, there is another bridge. Well, then let's build one. And then let's build a ramp to this bridge. And there we go. And there we go. Quite ramp once again. So where is the following stop then? The following stop is at Viistokuja diagonaleen. Great, great. It's a one-way stop. Who cares? And it's literally called diagonally. There we go. And then let's turn right, left in here. There we go. And that's it. That's it. Okay. Back to lines. So where was I? We stopped at Nihtisilta, and the following stop then was at Viistokuja. And then we stop at Henttanauki. Great. After Henttanauki, we stop at Lukutori, Klaaris, and Olarinniitintie. Now let's also stop at this one-way stop here. And then we're gonna turn left to right to Olarintie. Why am I so confused today? I'm clicking into the wrong buttons. I'm saying wrong directions. Wonder if everything's okay with me. After Olarinniitintie, we stop at Ylismäeristi, at Ylisrinne, then at Ylisrinne. Oh, well, the Ylisrinne stop is in the wrong place. Let's not stop there. So then let's stop at Itäportti. Let's stop at Alaportti. And then let's stop at Auringonkatu. At Meteorisilta. Päiväntaite. Piispan risti. Piispan aukio. Probably here at Matinkylä. So then also at Tynnyritie. Is that a possibility? That is a possibility. We stop at Kalaonni. The following stop is at Finno. Wait. The following stop is where? Okay. The following stop is at Finno. So let's see. It stops twice at Finno. Well, we'll stop once at Finno. Enough is enough. Build all blueprints. There we go, we stop at Finno. Bingo. After Finno, we stop at Peijinkatu. Wonder if that has been created. Then we stop at Syväsalmi. What's this? So we're gonna turn left to there. Okay. Okay. Well, so the first stop is gonna be on this new section is gonna be Syväsalmi. Where the hell is that located? Gypsund. There we go. After Syväsalmi, we stop at Hyljeranta. Selstranden. Oops. I got a bit too excited there. Oops. And after Hyljeranta, we're gonna stop at Rullaniementi, Rullusväin. There we go. After Rullaniementi, we're gonna stop at Arttelikuja. Våtlagsgränden. Where the hell is that? And after Artelikuja, we're gonna stop at Hyljelahti, Selviken, and after Hyljelahti, there is still one more stop, which is gonna be the terminus, and that's gonna be called Hyljeveneen tie, Segelbåtsvägen. So, not the shortest of lines, not the simplest of lines to build, but a highly satisfying line. And another corner of Espoo has been conquered. And that's it. So, let's build the blueprints. Then we go back to lines. After Hannuksen build, we're gonna stop at Sivasalmi. And then the other new stops here. So it's already 47 kilometers. And then let's go back. Home. Shall we? Now it's 51 kilometers. Now we're already at 43 kilometers. Okay. That's not the thing we want to do. Let's consider other possibilities here. Oops. And then also add these two signals to the ramp. There we go. So let's build him. And after Nihtisilan Poretti, we're gonna stop at Fasanipolku. Now we're back to 46 kilometers. Once I fix that little issue over there. What the hell? So I've skipped Samis. Nice. 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 So after Uimahalli, we're gonna stop at Terveyskeskus and then Samis. No, shit. After Terveyskeskus, we're gonna stop at Samis. There we go. And then the church. So, that's Samis. Come on. There we go. And then we stop at healthcare center and the swimming pool. Then we go through this area here. And that's it. Line ready. Let's see how often it runs. That's around. Well, the shortest interval is 50 minutes. Whoa, that's quite something. So let's open the line to passenger service and go back buying buses. I remembered it. Line 533, purchase new bus. Oh, we're gonna do a lot of buses here. We're gonna do a whole lot of buses here. Still a few. Still a few. And one more, I think. That'll do it. Yeah, that's right, 15 minutes. So, the roads have been built, the line has been created, the buses have been bought, and everything is up and running. There will be a new video tomorrow. So until then, bye!